it always seems like if they're going to find conflict on the HF bands, it's going to be between nets and net operators and POTA or Parks on the Air activators. And I see this a lot, especially, people on social media channels bemoaning, the nets that seem to spring up out of life, out of nowhere, and park activators that inundate the bands and make it difficult for the nets to operate. Now, granted, nets have been on the amateur radio bands for literally decades and decades, and some of them have been established for a very long time, and they're not accustomed to moving off their frequency that they typically operate from. And the park activator, he may have been there first, and nobody owns the frequency. We all understand that, and we know what the rules are, but I get that. So I just wanted to kind of call out an experience I had today with a net, because this is the way it should be. And I don't, I could go into detail, but I think it's easier just to kind of roll the video so you can see, how it should be between a net operator and a POTA activator. This is Kilo Bravo 9, Victor Bravo Romeo, Parks on the Air. KRZ.
November 4, Whiskey Foxtrot uniform.
November 4, Whiskey Foxtrot uniform, Big 5-9, Wisconsin, US 8209. Back to you.
Thank you. My name is Barry, Bravo Alpha Romeo Romeo Yankee in North Carolina. You're 5-7 here. And I'm wondering if I can ask you a favor. I'm one of the net controls for the 14247DX net that meets every day on 14.247 for the last 40 years or so. And I was wondering if we might be able to use our frequency whenever we get the net started in a little bit.
All right. What time does the net start? Is it starting now, or is it in a couple minutes?
Well, actually, we have one net control that's already been over there calling CQ, but evidently you didn't hear him when you came home. But technically the net starts at 2000 Zulu, but we're usually on before that, starting to line up DX and so forth. So I'm not trying to push you, but if you're willing to help us out, then whenever you can make a move, we would appreciate it. It's no big hurry, but just whenever's convenient for you.
All righty. I think I should be able to move up 1 or 2 kc. I'm just going to take a quick look here on the dial while I'm talking to you. But yeah, we'll kind of shift things around a little bit so that we're not interfering. I could probably move up 2 kc. So we'll be out of your hair.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic. I appreciate it. And the whole net. Well, thank you, and come join us sometime when you have the time. We usually have people all over the world that come in 2000 Zulu to 2130 Zulu Monday through Friday.
All right, Barry. Well, thanks a lot. Name here is Michael. Good to get you in the log. You have a good time on your net, and we're gonna QSY up about 2 kc, KB9VBR.
Well, you're a gentleman and a scholar. I thank you so much, and hope you have fun with your activation from November 4, Whiskey Foxtrot uniform.
Is the frequency in use?
QRZ, is this frequency in use?
Is frequency in use? Is frequency in use, KB9VBR. CQ, Parks on the Air, CQ, Parks on the Air, KB9VBR, Kilo Bravo 9 Victor Bravo Romeo, calling CQ for Parks on the Air.
Alpha Whiskey 3, Whiskey Juliet, Bravo 3, India, Lima, November.
Whiskey 3, Whiskey Juliet, you found me, 5-9, Wisconsin, US 8209, back to you.
Yeah, good afternoon, Michael. You're 5-7 and 5-7 in southeastern PA near Philadelphia, over.
All right, well, thanks a lot for southeastern PA. We appreciate it. You have a great day, and 7-3.
7-3, Michael. Good luck.
Take care. This is Kilo Bravo 9 Victor Bravo Romeo Parks on the air. Here is it.
Alpha, California Victor 4